ATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a pretty nice day if you like tropical downpours and splashing and dashing. Sean Constantine getting a shot from Youngsville earlier this afternoon, threatening skies. It looks like some rain off in the distance. That's when the clouds get obscured. So kind of one of those days today, and I think we got another one of them tomorrow. Pretty high rain chances. Doesn't rain all day long, but on and off showers and storms, a very good bet, and that's what we saw this afternoon. Here's a 6-hour loop of Power Doppler HD. Most of the activity beginning to wind down, but still a couple of heavy storms across the area. Still seeing some moderate downpours just south and east of the Gaydon area and around Forked Island. And we had a pretty heavy thunderstorm move through Lafayette Parish right at the beginning of drive time. That storm is dissipating, but what often happens behind the storm, we see this light rain out that continues across the area. So keep your eyes peeled. Maybe a few rainbows once again tonight. Been seeing some nice rainbows of late across the area, and you can see that rain mainly from the Acadiana Mall area through say Bendel Gardens and then through the downtown area. These showers gradually diminish as we lose that daytime heating factor. So as we kick it upstairs, take a look at the satellite imagery in motion across the region. Deep tropical moisture in place, plenty of instability, and that's going to stay with us for another day. In fact, a frontal boundary is going to enhance those rain chances through tomorrow. So a day very similar to today. Meanwhile, as we go off the east coast, here's the remnants, or at least some of the DNA of Florence that has been sitting and spinning between Bermuda and the East Coast for days now. A 50% chance of this developing. We'll summarize that in just a bit. Elsewhere in the tropics, quiet Gulf and Caribbean. We'll keep an eye on the remnants of Kirk. Still a 50% chance of that redeveloping down the line as it gets closer to the Caribbean. And then it may fall apart in the Caribbean. Then we'll have to watch to see if anything gets down here in about 10 to 14 days. But no major concerns for the Gulf. We have post-tropical cyclone Leslie out here. It's going to spin and become a stronger storm down the line, but not be quite tropical. And this one could become tropical off the East Coast, but it's just going to bring brief rains to North Carolina, not South Carolina, but they are still dealing with that water that continues to rise in spots, especially in South Carolina. Meanwhile, here's the remnants of Kirk. It still looks pretty good on the satellite imagery. We'll call it a tropical wave because that's essentially what it is. And the tropical models track it till about early Monday in the Central Caribbean, but we think upper level shear will, if the system develops Kirk, will make it fall apart again. Then maybe something down the line that we'll have to watch here in the Gulf of Mexico, but nothing of concern at this point. So as we take a look at your futurecast for tomorrow morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms are earlier in the day, coastal areas. Then we'll see around, probably pushing on through during the afternoon hours. Now the details still a little bit murky. Here's that frontal boundary we're talking about late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So rain chances may go into tomorrow evening. Then that front gets closer to us and kind of runs out of gas, but it will feel slightly better, especially northern portions of Acadiana and north of Acadiana. We'll show you the temperature product in just a bit. Like today, some locally heavy downpours. Incidentally, 1.67 inches of rain out at the Lafayette Airport, which is a record for the date. Check out my social media feeds on that. And tomorrow, some folks get some rain, others just hear rumbles of thunder, and then some other folks get a couple of inches of rainfall. Don't pay attention to the actual numbers, just the spirit of what the model's trying to say. Now, temperatures hold in the 70s tonight. We'll keep it in the low to mid 80s tomorrow with plenty of rain in the forecast. Maybe slightly cooler tomorrow night into Thursday morning, especially northern parishes. And then Thursday, upper 70s to low to mid 80s, but still the chance of rain behind that frontal boundary more than what Futurecast is showing. So mid 70s to upper 70s overnight tonight as showers continue to end tomorrow. Mid 80s for a high tomorrow. We'll say several rounds of showers and storms with some locally heavy downpours. So chance of rain 70%. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all day, just means it might rain several times during the day tomorrow. 60% on your rain chances Thursday. Friday into the weekend, we'll try to tone down the rain chances to the afternoon hours. Got the Sugarcane Festival, Pet Blessing over at Holy